The MDCAT is an annual national entrance test conducted by the Pakistan Medical Commission, PMC, for admission to medical and dental colleges across Pakistan. The MDCAT 2024 is scheduled for September 22, 2024. To register, candidates must apply online. Registration began on August 5, 2024, and the last date to register is August 19, 2024. The registration fee is PKR 8,000. Eligibility criteria include being a Pakistani citizen, an overseas Pakistani, or a foreign national. Unlike previous years, FSC/HSSC/A-level results are not required for MDCAT 2024 registration. The MDCAT exam is a computer-based test conducted in English. It consists of 200 multiple-choice questions, MCQs, covering biology, chemistry, physics, English, and logical reasoning. The exam duration is 3 hours and 30 minutes. To be eligible for admission into medical colleges, candidates need to score 65%, 130 out of 200, while for dental colleges, the passing score is 55%, 110 out of 200. Here's a detailed explanation of each section of the Medical and Dental College Admission Test, MDCAT. Biology. This section assesses your knowledge of biological concepts, including cell biology, genetics, physiology, and ecology. Questions may cover topics such as DNA replication, photosynthesis, and human anatomy. Prepare by reviewing textbooks, diagrams, and practicing solving MCQs related to biological concepts. Chemistry. The chemistry section evaluates your understanding of chemical principles, reactions, and periodic trends. Topics include organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and physical chemistry. Focus on understanding chemical bonding, reaction mechanisms, and balancing chemical equations. Physics. Physics questions test your grasp of fundamental principles like mechanics, electromagnetism, and thermodynamics. Topics include motion, forces, energy, and waves. Study concepts such as Newton's laws, kinematics, and optics. Practice solving physics problems to improve your skills. English. The English section assesses your language skills, including grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension. Questions cover reading passages, sentence correction, and synonyms/antonyms. Enhance your reading comprehension by reading articles, novels, and newspapers. Brush up on grammar rules and vocabulary. Logical reasoning. This section evaluates your ability to analyze patterns, make deductions, and solve problems logically. Questions may involve sequences, analogies, and syllogisms. Practice solving puzzles, brain teasers, and logical reasoning exercises. Develop a systematic approach to tackle different types of problems. Remember to allocate time for each section during the exam, and focus on areas where you need improvement. Good luck with your preparation.
发光的星星树。
For more informative videos, subscribe to our channel MedTrivia Time.